So the first learning outcome met in this the building of this artifact was ST3 1WS which plans and conducts scientific investigations to answer testable questions and collects and summarizes data to communicate conclusions. The content descriptors met in that outcome were to demonstrate safety and sustainability when choosing resources to produce design solutions, managing constraints and maximizing opportunities. And the other one was to design a sustainable product, system, or environment individually and or collaboratively, considering the properties or materials. And this was done through the selection of the resources used to build the artifact, and to make sure that they were all recyclable objects or sustainable objects. For example, the rocks used in the assignment can easily be put back into nature or put back outside where they were obtained from. The second objective met was ST3 2DPT, plans and uses materials, tools, and equipment to develop solutions for a need or opportunity. The content descriptors there were to investigate characteristics and properties of a range of materials and evaluate the impact of their use. Select appropriate materials, components, tools, equipment, and techniques, and apply safe procedures to produce designed solutions. And this was very important in designing the artifact when considering the use of electricity and the soldering iron. And these, the safety measures taken in this were to ensure that first, the smoke from the soldering iron, for example, was did not affect the eyes, so the use of PPE. And the other was through the use of, when using electricity, to make sure that if, for example, one thing that I encountered was that one of the light bulbs wasn't the right light bulb for the voltage I was using, so it popped and there was smoke coming out. So I knew to turn it off and to make sure everything was safe and clear, and until I resumed. And this should be taken into consideration as well when developing the artifact. The third one was ST3 8P which explains how energy is transferred from one form to another, to investigate how electrical energy can be transferred and transformed in electrical circuits and can be generated from a range of sources. Investigate how electrical energy can control movement, sound, or light in a product or system. And this was seen through the use of the 4 AA batteries that I used. The wires used to transfer the electricity around the board. And it also gave a good insight as to how the electricity got the light to work, got the motor to move, and had the buzzer underneath the Dodgem cars to also beep at the same time.